Okay, so we want to do number 61 and 11.6, which seems a little bit bizarre, right? I've got log of x, the whole thing squared is log of x squared.
X is 1.
These almost seem like they should be the same thing, right? Do you see that? What makes these different things?
Because the log of x is completely different
The
than the log of x
squared on the first one, or the squared is applied to the log on the left side, but not on the right side.
Yeah, it's a question of when am I squaring and when am I logging, right? So here I take an x and then I log it first and then I square it. This other guy's in the opposite order, right? So I'm wondering, for which x's doesn't the order matter? You guys see that? That's going to be kind of a weird question. So, I don't know, just algebraically, what could I do with this thing? Maybe I could think about this side as, this is a log of x times a log of x, right? So whatever log of x is, we're multiplying that by whatever log of x is. Okay, can I make a log of x on the right-hand side?
Log of x times x.
Okay.
So it's log of x plus log of x.
Okay. You guys see that? So I'm wondering, when is multiplying this thing together the same as adding it together? I maybe could notice that this is twice log of x, right? How else could I have seen that earlier?
From the 2.
You can do exponent down?
Yeah, I could have just pulled the exponent down there, right? Okay, so let me see. So far I've got log of x times log of x is twice log of x. Let me just do something dumb because I'm pretty confused by this, right? Everybody at least a little confused? Let me just replace log of x with something. So let me just think, okay, I'm going to replace log of x with y. Okay. Now I've got over here y times y. And that's
2.
2y.
So same always.
So 1.
Not quite.
No?
So log of x.
Multiplication, right, and addition on that
Log of
side.
x has to equal 2.
Careful.
Because y is log of x.
Hang on. You lost one there. So this is the same thing as y squared is 2y, right? How do you solve that?
Square root. No, you don't.
Let's square root both
Actually.
sides. That's a quadratic, right?
So you subtract. Yeah.
Maybe if we subtract 2y from both sides, what do we get?
Y squared minus 2.
Yeah, y squared minus 2y is 0, right? Then what do I do?
Break that apart.
Okay,
So,
I break that apart by
what is it? Not foiling, what is it?
Unfoiling.
Unfoiling, yeah.
factoring what?
Y plus y and y.
It's y and y minus 2.
Yeah, it's y and a y minus 2 is 0. What does that tell me? What am I applying here?
Zero product for y is either 0 or 2.
You guys see that? Okay, what the hell was y?
Y is log of x.
Y was log of x. So either ln of x is 0 or ln of x is 2.
So x is 1 or x is 100.
Close. So x is 1, right? Or x is, what's the base on log?
10.
E.
Oh.
There we
This is natural log, right? So the base is e, so this is x is e squared. You guys see that? This problem is super hard.
Wait, so how did you get from the log x equals 0 to x equals 1?
So if log of x is 0, that means that x is e to the 0,
And anything to the 0.
and stuff to the 0 that's not 0, right, is 1. You guys playing along with this? This is super, super hard. Cool? This is a not at all easy problem in this thing. Questions? Other questions?